Imagine stepping into a bare, echoing metal box on wheels. 6 weeks later, that same shell becomes a warm, smart, rolling home. Today, walk with me, scene by scene, through the carpentry choices that shaved 80 kilos, yet doubled the storage. Rule 1, frame everything in 19 by 40 Meranti, strong as hardwood, light as balsa. Rule 2, sheath only the faces the eye can see, leave hidden sides bare, ounces saved become miles gained. Watch as we build the couch bed hybrid, 4 modular pieces, each under 10 kilos. Side boxes first, L-shaped, screwed to both wall and floor, they become the chassis. Next, the middle spine, hiding a slide-out drawer deep enough for pots, yet only 100 high. The front frame clicks in last, pre-drilled for doors, no measuring twice on site. We skin the bones with 3-ply, cut oversized, glued, then router trimmed flush, perfection in one pass. Notice the curve of the wall, copy it exactly onto a template. Every future board kisses that line. Overhead lockers shrink over the kitchen, swell again over the bed. Visual rhythm, hidden function. Handles gone, push-button latches keep faces clean. Nothing to snag your sweater at midnight. Gas line, cooktop, sink, water heater. Every service dances behind panels, yet remains one screw away. Even the fridge, framed in, isolated, vibrations hushed, efficiency climbs. We upholster foam segments, not one mattress, but 6, fold, stack, become lounger, table, guest bed. Final weigh-in, 680 kg total, 120 under legal limit, license safe, mileage king. Every gram saved is a kilometer earned, every clever joint, a Sunday morning coffee in the wild. So, before you bolt that next cabinet, ask, does it earn its weight? Design light, live long, and the road will thank you.